Hello and welcome to another video. So today I have these under sink organizers. So I got a 2-pack. Essentially, you see the mess under my sink. So this kind of helps you organize your under sink area. So kind of like these shelves that kind of pull out. I'll leave a link, Amazon link to it below as usual. But let's pull it out of the box and I'll line it up. Pull everything out and line it up, and then we'll go through how to get it together. Okay, so I have it all opened up here. We've got our rods, we've got our braces. So essentially, line up these arrows in the same direction, turn these over. So I'm gonna go ahead and place some things on top of here to make a two-level kind of organizer for myself. So you see this is a pretty tall bottle, so I'll have to go with the top, but the smaller bottles can easily go on the bottom. Anyways, that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you on the next one.